Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I do my manicure at home using the Manucurist Green Flash LED nail polish. I recently got my hand on the new Deville Collection, which features these beautiful seaside inspired shades, perfect for summer. I honestly love all of them, but for this tutorial I'll be using the shade Pistachio. Let's get started with the base coat. This step is super important, it protects your nails and helps the color last longer. I apply a thin, even layer of the base coat and then cure it under the LED lamp for 2 minutes. A quick tip about the lamp that comes in the starter kit. It has separate buttons for base, color and top coat with present times, but in my experience those times are too short. The base and color buttons are set to 1 minute and the top coat is 2 minutes. However, I always cure every layer, base, color and top for 2 minutes each, and I find this gives the best results. Also, I like to do 4 fingers first and then the thumb. That way each layer dries perfectly. Now it's time for color. I'm using Pistachio, a gorgeous pale green with subtle yellow undertones, but you can go with any shade you love. They've got over 50 to choose from. Here's a little trick I've learned. While the brand recommends applying thin layers, I find it works better to take a slightly larger amount of polish. This helps apply the color more evenly, but don't go overboard, just enough to cover the nails smoothly. Once you've applied the first coat, cure it for 2 minutes. Then repeat with the second coat for a more opaque finish. You can even go for a third layer if you want a stronger, more resistant manicure. Just remember to cure each layer for 2 minutes. To finish, seal everything with the top coat. I apply a nice even layer, then cure it for, yep, you guessed it, 2 minutes. The top coat adds a beautiful shine and helps your manicure last even longer. And here are the finished nails. I absolutely love the color and the glossy finish. It really looks like a professional salon manicure but done at home. This polish is super easy to remove. After about 10 days or whenever you are ready for a change, just soak half a cotton pad in acetone, place it on your nails, use these handy clips and leave it on for 1-2 minutes. The polish comes off so easily and it doesn't damage your nails. I have to say I'm genuinely impressed with Manicurist products. The application is so simple once you get the hang of it. The LED lamp is super efficient and the results are amazing. It's actually been over a year since I stopped going to the salon for gel manicures. My nails are so much healthier now. They are not being filled down all the time. They look great and it's so convenient to do my nails at home whenever I want. Plus, I've saved a ton of money. Those salon visits every 3 weeks really added up. I truly love all Manicurist LED polishes. They are regular nail polishes and treatments. They are totally worth it and super long lasting. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you have tried Manicurist products, I love to hear your thoughts. Also, if you're thinking of giving them a try or want to restock, you can use my code PROCRIS for 15% off at Manicurist US and UK. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!